Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this wreath-like shape within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, and what I'd like you to do is take what I show you today and go and create some amazing stuff. Okay, how do we do it? What I'm going to do is use my selection tool. I'm going to just select everything and press backspace to remove, just so that we can start afresh. Then what I'm going to do is using my ellipse tool here, I'm just going to come through and start to draw out an ellipse. At the same time, I'm going to press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point, whilst pressing Shift also as well at the same time. Perfect. Now I'm just going to duplicate this down here by pressing Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows, click and drag, like so. And let's just resize this using them shortcuts again, Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point, and Shift also as well at the same time. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is have our top shape selected, and I'm just going to go to the rotate tool here. And if I hover to the center point, I'm going to press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to get our transform options open here. And probably going to say around 15 degrees. But instead of pressing OK, what I'm going to press is copy. And now what I can do, guys, is press a shortcut of Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to continue that transformation commandment. Like so, all the way around. So I'm just going to select the middle one and now press backspace to remove it. Let's select everything like so here. I'm going to go to my Pathfinder window and just press Unite. Wonderful. Let's come through now and apply the stroke on the outside. And let's come through and increase the size of the stroke. Why not? And let's use our alignment tool at the top here to get it aligned horizontally and vertically center on the artboard. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that wreath-like shape within Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.